remember that time you said such and such about your mum.
No.
About your mum.
No, I don't really, but I don't remember one specific thing that I've said. There's anything bad, but then I'm sure, like, when I've annoyed you, you would have said stuff to someone.
Well, not really, to be honest.
So you've never slagged me off to anyone?
Slagged you off? No. I say about your mess and that. Your mess really absolutely upsets you. Absolutely.
Bless me.
I can't tolerate it, to be honest, but... Don't you think I'd make a good newsreader on that? I do honestly. When I do.